Hello guys, welcome to BVM Tech Unlock channel. Today we will learn how to replace a screen for this Samsung. As you can see, the screen is broken, it's showing some ink. The touch also is not working properly. So I will show you how to replace it today. So just watch it carefully and pay attention. First thing you must do, we're gonna remove the SIM card tray. We're gonna remove SIM card tray. After removing card trays, we're gonna remove the back cover. I recommend you choose a spatula or sharpened knife. Be careful on some phones. There is tape going inside there, so you must be careful. Some phones are coming with fingerprint. So that's it. The back cover is out. Now we're gonna remove screws. First, you must make sure the space is clean so that the screen doesn't get scratched. I mean, the phone doesn't get scratched. You're gonna remove screws. I won't edit this video, I won't stop it, I won't cut it, I will make it full so you can properly learn how to replace a screen. It's almost the same thing on most phones. But some phones are coming with some phones are coming with frame screens, so there's a little bit difference because you don't remove the screen, you remove the parts, you replace the. So I'm gonna remove those covers also. Remove these. You must make sure nothing falls out. We're gonna remove the screen. First you must take all the cables out. Those fittings out. Before you take the screen fittings, first you must take the battery out. So we're gonna clean the surface. We're gonna clean the frame, clean it gently and make sure the frame is clean so the screen can fit properly and nicely. I like to do a good job for my customers. It's hard job, but if you love it, becomes an easy job. I don't wanna lie guys, I'm enjoying this job. Yeah, just take your time, watch. And please, if you are new, make sure you following me, like and share this video so you can help others. Let me know what you think. If you want me to keep long videos, full videos like this one, or you want me to make them shorter, just tell me in comment section. You see how many has this coming out on this screen, on this frame. So make sure it's clean. This is a new screen, guys. We're gonna replace it, and this is a plastic just to show you it's new. Yeah, just make sure everything fits back, nothing falls out. And then you hold the frame upside down, you slide in those cable. I'm not sure how do you call those things. Please leave the name, the proper name to call, because I'm calling it cables. Leave the name in comment section to teach me more English. I'm a Portuguese guy, but I love to talk English, guys. Make sure you clip them nicely. Everything must be tight. You clip the back cable. First you clip the screen cables before battery. The battery you're doing it after. So we're gonna test the screen if it's working or not before we put glue, before we close, before we do anything. We must first test the screw. Oh, yeah, the screen is properly working, no line. We'll test the touching after, because I'm trying to make this video shorter. So after that, you clip everything. Before you put glue, you first close the covers back, the screws back, and make sure everything is sitting in proper place. Mostly on this closing time, I like to cut the video and make it shorter, but today I won't cut, to make sure you see everything and to see how much time I spent making replacing the screen. Those screws looking like gonna short. I was careless. I don't know where I did put some. But let's hope I'll find them out. One screw is missing. One screw is missing. Did someone see the screw there? Oh yeah, there's it. Only one shot. Where we will find it. Oh yeah. The last screw, we're gonna screw it up. Likely we did foundation. The last screw is always a problem. Doesn't wanna fit. Finally, we did it. So okay, after closing the screws, we're gonna close the cover back. That cover looks old, like was made in 1930. It's older than your grandmother. Gonna give some cleanup touch up. This is not my responsibility. If the phone cover is dirty, the phone is dirty. I just care. The phone just came to be screen replace it. But because I like cleaning, I will clean it. Who knows? Maybe the guy will buy me Coke. Let me clean it. Maybe the guy will buy me French fries. Who knows? Yeah, but the phone is dirty. Sometimes the phone needs just to be opened and get some cleanup. Look at this. Look. Blue to brown, guys. Yeah. Even the brush can't clean this dirty. Let me put some alcohol and try to wipe it. Yeah, it's coming better. Not perfect, but better. This thing I had to clean it because that's. So I hope now it will be much better. Yeah, it's fitting. I hope it will press. I'm not sure yet, but I will test it. Guy, if you close the cover, you must lift up the screen and press it, because if you press the screen, it might break and you'll be in trouble. Rather, you lift up the screen and press it. Yeah, the volumes are working nicely, perfectly. So I will on to test the touch before I put glue. But I'm sure it's working. But you must always do that. Wait, test the touch before you put glue. So if you need to replace it, it will be replaced. But me, I'm sure I will just. I don't have the time to wait. Oh, I'm blocking you. Let me show you probably how I do put glue. I'll show you on that other line there. So you see, I'm sliding, pressing just a little bit, and must make line. Don't put too much or don't put with bubbles. Make sure the glue goes straight to make it smooth and level up. I'm gonna wipe the and put the cap back. Don't leave this thing without cap. It will dry and block. So yeah, almost done guys, almost done. Don't forget to follow me and share this video, comment and like it. So let's start the charge. Perfect. I was sure. I'll put the rubber bands. I'm always telling customer to remove those rubber bands after 2.5 or 3 hours, because the more you leave them, the more glues get dry and the more screen gets stronger. Some customers are removing those things after 30 minutes. When I use, don't come complain like I didn't do a good job, and I will charge again. Yeah, full price. I'm just adding rubber bands comfortably, guys. I think those are enough. Make sure the top part and the bottom part are closing properly. So we are done, guys. I very appreciate for watching my video. Please don't forget to follow me, to like this video and share with your friends, families, and comment section mention someone who you like it to see this video.